So you just got your hands on some Turtle Beach Stealth 600 for your PS4, and you're probably wondering what can you do with this headset and how do you set it up. I'm here to show you exactly what you need to do to set up your headset and own some noobs. So let's start the video. Hey everyone, this is Or from Wicked Cushions with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your Turtle Beach Stealth 600 headphones for your PS4. Before I start the video, if this video ends up being helpful for you, please click the like button. It's going to help us a lot with the videos that we do in this channel. Let's just start with a small quick overview of what you get with a Turtle Beach Stealth 600. I'm just going to show you real quick what you get with your Stealth 600. So you get your wireless dongle, which you have to use because there's no aux cord option with these headsets. You get your micro USB cable, which allows you to charge between 5 to 6 hours, and the battery will last you 15 hours. You'll also need this cable in order to do today's video process, which is you might need to update your headphones, so you will need this to connect to your computer along with this. Now on the headset itself, you have two sliders. You have a slider for the volume, just general volume, and you have a slider for what you call the mic side tone. So when you talk, you're going to hear yourself in the headphones, which I find very, very annoying. So I completely cancel it. But that's the second slider, basically, how loud you're going to hear yourself in the audio, in the headphones themselves. The mic has three modes. Off, which you can see right now. Halfway, you'll feel a little resistance when you go like that, and it will stop. That's basically the mic is muted, and then all the way to the front is when the mic is on. And that's it. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do, you're going to download the Turtle Beach Audio Hub. I've linked it down below, so stop the video, install it, and come back.
A few moments later.
Once installed, connect your headphones to your PC or Mac with the USB cable. Then connect the wireless transmitter to another USB port. By the way, the wireless transmitter already comes paired with your headset. If it is not pairing for some reason, there is a way to fix it. I added a link to the description from Turtle Beach's support that will show you how to do that exactly. Okay, once everything is connected and paired and you downloaded and installed the Turtle Beach Audio Hub, simply go ahead and open it up. As soon as you'll open it up, it will recognize the headset and it will tell you if it needs an update. If it needs an update, it will show up right here on the screen. My device is up to date, so there's nothing I need to do in here. This one, unlike SteelSeries or HyperX software, there's not much that you can adjust. The voice prompt level is basically when you click the mode button, which switches between sound modes. It's basically the guide telling you inside the headphones which mode it is. So that's the only thing that you can basically adjust in here. There's nothing else that you need to do here unless you need an update. If you don't need an update, just go on to the next step and I'll show you what to do with your PS4. Okay, so turn on your headset and connect your wireless transmitter to your PS4. Once paired, simply go to settings. Once you get to settings, choose devices and then choose audio devices. In this screen, you're going to choose output to headphones as all audio. For volume control, I go all the way to the max because you can adjust it on your headset itself with a slider. For mic adjustment, simply go through the setup interface and choose your desired mic levels, and that's pretty much it. You're ready to play. By the way, you're probably wondering where did I get those sexy black camel earpads for my Stealth 600? The answer is, we make them. If you want to try our upgraded gaming earpads in the black camel design or whatever design that we have right now, they fit the Stealth 600 and other Turtle Beach headphones as well. We have a coupon especially for you. Simply click the link at the top corner right now and go grab your coupon. And that is it for today's video. I really hope that it was helpful. If it was, please click the like button right now and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. Now, go out there and enjoy your Stealth 600, and I will see you online.